Junior Puppy Playgrounds. Click play to start.
Hola! Today is the grand opening of the Puppy Play Park. All my puppy friends are so excited.
We sure are. This is going to be awesome.
So many puppy friends made it to the park. Perrito, Marshall, Norval, and even Bubble Puppy are all here. There's so much to do in Puppy Play Park today. While you play all the games and activities, you'll earn pup toys and treats for all of our friends. You can click on this button to look at all of the items you've collected. There are 16 things we need to collect. Vamos! Click anywhere in the park to get started. Play with Marshall.
Click on the target to help me fill the balloon with water until it pops. Go! Keep your eye on the time. Awesome!
You earned a toy for the toy chest.
Move your mouse back and forth to help me catch the pup treats. Go! Keep your eye on the time. Time's up. Great job!
You earned a toy for the toy chest.
Click on the pup treats to collect them and help me get through this maze. Help me follow the pup treats through the maze. Go! Keep your eye on the time. Pup-tastic! Oh no! A puppy toy got stuck up in the tree. Let's get ready for a roof rescue. Click on a ladder, then click again on where you think it should go. Go! Pup-tastic!
Play with Perrito.
Click a pup, and then click the hoop that's the right size for that pup to jump through. Go! Great job! Click on a toy, then click on the puppy it belongs to. Go! Awesome! Skip!
Click on Norval to help him jump over all the hurdles. Go!
Keep your eye on the time. Time's up.
Nice!
Skip. Move your mouse back and forth to help Norval catch the dragon treats. Go! Keep your eye on the time. Time's up. Awesome.
Play with Perrito. Move your mouse over the dirt to help Bubble Puppy dig up his bubble bites. Go!
eye on the time. Time's up.
Nice try.
Click on a pop toy and click on a bucket with a picture that matches. Go! Great job!
Move your mouse back and forth to help Bubble Puppy pop the bubbles. Go!
Keep your eye on the time. Time's up.
Fantástico! Click on an item, then click again to put it on Bubble Puppy. Let's dress up Bubble Puppy.
Go! Awesome! Skip!
Play with Perrito. Play with... Click on Perrito to help him win the race.
Go!
Help Perrito go faster.
Awesome!
Move your mouse around over Perrito to clean him up. Go!
Keep your eye on the time.
Fantástico! Click on Perrito to help him win. Go! Fantástico! Move your mouse around over Perrito to brush his fur. Go!
Keep your eye on the time.
Fantástico!
Skip! Poptacular! We completed all of the activities in the Puppy Play Park.
The puppies all had un día fantástico.
We sure did. Thanks for your help. And now, it's time for some pup treats. Ow!
Click the print button to print a puppy dress-up party. Click play again to keep playing in the Puppy Play Park.
Play again.